Oh wow, I just love a property that smells good, looks good, and even better when they're superbly located in a quiet cul-de-sac just like 9 Jimbour Court. You're going to love this home because it's been designed to be an entertainer's dream with a massive outdoor area, plus it has side yard access. Anyway, I won't ruin the surprise, you check it out and let me know what you think. This floor plan is awesome with 4 bedrooms on the upper level, internal stairs, a double remote control garage, air conditioning and an ensuite to the master. Of course, there's also a third toilet downstairs, just so life's a little bit easier. This property is the perfect fusion of price, presentation and location. We are located only minutes from the Ipswich CBD. There's a myriad of schools so close, of course there's shopping centres, and for the busy Brisbane commuter, zip straight down the highway to Brisbane. Anyway, I hope to see you at one of my inspections or give me a call, email me and I'm happy to take you through.